Msty AI is a brand new software that promises to revolutionize the way you work with AI. So what do you really need to know about it? In this Msty AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things that will help you understand why this is one of the best AI tools just released. If you're on the fence about whether this is the AI for you, stick around. By the end, you'll know exactly how Msty AI can help you optimize your digital marketing strategy and business. First, you can try Msty AI completely free through the first link in the description below. Yes, you can dive in and test it out before you commit to anything, which is a great perk when you're evaluating any new tool. So, what makes Msty AI stand out from the crowd? The first thing you need to know is its unique ability to generate content quickly and with high relevance. Whether you're crafting blog posts, social media captions, or even product descriptions, Msty AI uses cutting-edge algorithms to tailor content to your specific audience and tone. It doesn't just spit out generic text, it adapts, learning from your inputs to give you content that's right on target. Next, Msty AI offers real-time optimization suggestions. This is a game changer for digital marketers. It analyzes your existing content and provides actionable feedback on how to improve engagement, reach, and conversion. This feature alone makes Msty AI one of the best tools for anyone serious about boosting their digital marketing efforts. You no longer have to guess what might work, you get data-driven insights. Another standout feature is its intuitive user interface. Even if you're new to AI tools, Msty AI's clean and straightforward design makes it easy to jump in and get started. You don't need to be a tech expert to unlock its full potential. This is particularly valuable for small business owners and digital marketers who might not have the time or resources to master complicated software. On top of that, Msty AI integrates seamlessly with other tools you may already use. Whether it's your CRM, email marketing platform, or project management software, Msty AI can plug right in and start adding value immediately. This level of integration saves you time, reduces friction, and ensures that you're not siloing your data. The AI's predictive capabilities are also worth mentioning. Msty AI can analyze your target audience's behavior and suggest strategies to enhance your outreach. This is crucial for businesses looking to personalize their marketing campaigns. It's almost like having an AI-driven marketing strategist on your team, working 24/7 to help you reach your goals faster. Now, let's talk about scalability. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a large organization, Msty AI grows with you. As your business expands, the software's features adapt to meet the increasing demands of your operations. This means you won't outgrow it anytime soon, which is a huge win when selecting long-term tools for your business. Finally, Msty AI's customer support is top-notch. With 24/7 support via chat and email, plus an active community forum, you're never left in the dark. You'll have access to expert advice whenever you need it, ensuring that you can make the most of the software's features without any roadblocks. So, after trying thousands of AI tools, Msty AI is definitely one I recommend. The combination of content generation, real-time optimization, ease of use, and scalability makes it a standout. And as promised, if you want to try it out for free, you can find the link below. I've also included my list of other AI software recommendations in the description that you can try. Each one tested and curated to make your business run smoother. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for your free trial of Msty AI.